Hi friends, Miss B here. Since we can't be together today, I have recorded this video and I'd love for you to follow along with me. Today we're going to focus on the short A that makes the apple, apple sound. The first thing I want to do is write a word on my board, and I'm going to write H-A-T. If I sound this word out, I can tell that this is the word hat. What would I need to do if I wanted to change hat to sat? Hat, sat. Well, I can hear that the last two letters are the same. At, s, at. Okay, so we're going to keep those the same. But the very first letter, at, s, at. I can tell that in the word sat, there's a s, so I need to add an s. S, at, h, at. Let's try it with another combination. We've got wag, and if I sound that out, w-ag, wag. If I want to change this to the word bag, wag, bag, I can hear w at the beginning of wag, and I can hear b at the beginning of bag. So I'm going to change out my W, wag, and I'm going to change it out for a B, bag, wag, bag. All right, now normally this is where you would be here to help me build these words yourself, but since you're not here, I'm going to help you build the first word. If you're at home, you can spell these out with me. We're going to spell out the word mad, m-ad. If I don't know how to spell a word, I always sound it and stretch it out so that I can hear those sounds, so that I know what letters to use. M, that's an M, m, a. D, m, a, d, mad. Now, this is where I would ask you to build the word tag. Tag. In the word tag, the first sound I hear is a ta, a, g, ag. The last sound I hear is a g, and I know that that is a G. Ag, tag. The next thing we're going to do is just to sound out a few of these words. So I'd love for you to follow along with me at home. I'm going to write a few words on my board for you to sound out with me. We're going to start with this one at the top. T, a, p. T, a, p. T, app, tap. N, a, g. N, a, g, nag. Last one. Axe, axe, axe. All right, I'm going to write a sentence for us. We're going to start with this word. This is our sight word. This is a sight word that we've been working on. This is the word the. It's a word that we just have to memorize. The, ant, ant. Is another one of our sight words that's a tricky word because the S usually makes the S sound. But in this word, it's making the Z sound. Is. The ant is, and we've just got one A word left. Fat. The ant is fat. You'll notice that I used a period at the end. All my sentences need to end with a punctuation mark, like a period or a question mark, and this sentence needed to end with a period. I also uppercase capitalized my T, okay? So I also had to capitalize my T in the, because I always start a sentence with a capital letter. All right, friends, we're almost finished today. This is going to be a short session. The only thing that we have left to do is to talk really quickly about letters and what sounds they make. So at home, I'm going to ask you, what letter makes the d, d, d sound? D, d, d. That's the letter D. Hopefully you said the D. The D makes the d, d, d sound. All right, what letter makes the b, b, b sound? That's the B. The B makes the b, b, b sound. What letter makes the sound? That's the R that makes the sound. What letter makes the g, g, g sound? That's the G that makes the g, g, g sound. All right, friends, today's lesson was short and sweet. We just went over a few of our short A words. I will see you next Monday. I won't see you for the rest of the week, so we'll just have our videos today and tomorrow, and then next Monday I'll see you on your Teams chat just like usual. All right, I hope that I see you soon. Bye.